Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life, and I'm here to do a little short, quick video to talk to you guys about this app that I've been using from time to time to make a little money, and it's called Product Tube. So, you guys, I did a video on this app a while ago. You guys can check the link up top there. I'll leave a link so you guys can see all that you need to know a little bit about that app that I described in my previous video up there. But as you can see right now, I just want you guys to see this is actually how much money I just made on my last gift card, and that wasn't even doing too much. It's pretty much like you're going in the stores, sometimes making short videos, reviews of products, giving your opinions about products, and then sometimes you don't even have to leave your house because you can pretty much just screen record right on your phone because it gives you a task to do where you're actually like shopping online and looking at products online. So there are some times you can get products or missions to do that way as well. So again, check out that video up there that's scrolling across there. This is your first time actually stopping by J-Hen and Travel Life channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you know somebody else that wants to make a little bit of money, share this video with them, as well as you guys, I forgot to tell you, the $175, it actually comes in Amazon gift card. So whatever amount of money you make on this app, they give it to you in an Amazon gift card, and you can pretty much cash out whenever you like. So I did a lot of missions that week and product missions and things like that, so I made a lot of money, so I just went ahead and cashed out at $175. Again, that was a lot for me, but you know, you may have goals that are way higher than that, or you could have goals that are less than that, but it actually helped me to be able to purchase some stuff on Amazon during this month of December. So just imagine if you do that every week, that's an extra what, 175 a week or 200 a week or 100 a week, where you could be getting products off of Amazon or purchasing things from Amazon with the gift card. So check that video out. Until next time, leave me a comment down below if you do have any questions at all. Hit the like button. Until next time, peace.